Hello, sir, ma'am. Good morning. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Sam Naransa. My father name is Sri Phagusa. I am 20 years old. I am unmarried. I have 5 members in my family. I am 12th passed from Paradise College, Rajbara, Saptari, Nepal. I live in Chinwasta, Saptari, Nepal. But current live in Koteswar, Kathmandu, Nepal. I am a worker and I am a honest people and motivated people. I have 2 years of working experience in Bhatbenani supermarket, Koteswar, Nepal. That's all about me. Thank you.
अब यसरी लाउँदा नि हुन्छ है यताबाट लाउँदा पनि एउटा यसरी लाएर अब यसलाई चाहिँ झिकेर उतै ऱ्याकमा राख्नु है अहिले चाहिँ सबैले किन बाहिर लगेको बनाउनु होइन कसरी भित्र राखेको गर्नु पऱ्यो कसैले पन्जाब प्याक गर्यो कसैले कार्टुन प्याक गरेको उतै ऱ्याकमा ल्याएर राख्नु अब